Oh, we got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Venture Surplus. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. This is actually the bottom of the box, so we may have to turn it over to the manifest side. In. Let's see, a little bit of paper on top, and manifest in label form. Let's go ahead and empty all this stuff out so we can get a good look at it. So, separate items. Holy smokes, okay. We have multiples. Just for your reference, Venture Surplus. I think we can figure this out here. Okay, so like objects, let's put them together to help things out. Plus some of these still have the tags on them. Some fell off. Alright. It's very easy to identify. That's kind of small. Large. Here we are. Molly 2 Flashbang Grenade Pouch. Your NSN number. These are both from the specialty group. Looks like this lot number was crossed off. Snaps, buckle flap, no inserts, grommets at the bottom. So two of the Molly Flashbang pouches in the UCP, but they're listed as ACU. Well, two USGI hand grenade pouch used BDU. Let's see, snap flap. The label is crossed off, just says hand grenade pocket style 4130. Specialty defense system. Numbers after that are really hard to read, but you can kind of get an idea of what's under there. Let's see if this one has an intact label. Snaps are really stiff. This one is a worn label, but it is intact. Specialty defense system. A division of specialty plastic products of PA Inc. And then the product support call number, NSN number up top, pouch utility. So, two of those. Put those with these two. Here, real quick, is a USGI ACH helmet replacement chinstrap, foliage green, no hardware included. So I already have a working chinstrap, but I wanted to update the color to a lighter green. So you see there the label, and it's basically buckle. If I can get this open here. Easy. Totally new. This goes behind your head. This goes under your chin. This is right here where the point of your chin would be. And these are your various attachment points to the hardware on your helmet. 2 on the side, 2 in the back. So that would be the ACH helmet replacement chin strap, Foliage green. Alright. This IFAK no insert used, ACU. This then accordingly would be the insert. Yeah, improved first aid kit insert. Like so. Okay. So we got a little IFAK setup. Now we just need tools to put into it. Next up, real easy, we have USGI 1-inch Grimloc D-ring 4-pack, new Foliage green. So for these little D-locks, press the button, releases open, easy click back. For those little D-locks, real easy, we have a USGI Armband ID card holder. You can see the plastic clear window, and then the armband strap. Okay, looks like we have 2 of these. Let's see what we have multiples of. I believe these are 2 of the US Army Air Warrior Tourniquet pouches. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Yep. Tourniquet pocket. So these are for the really small tourniquets. So yeah, you can see right there. Air Warrior. Let's see if we can get a better label look on this one here. Tourniquet pouch. Air Warrior. So 2 of those. Alright. These ones. Alright, this is the Air Warrior Multipurpose pouch. So you can see it's kind of a lengthier one as opposed to wider for rectangular items. Is more for cylindrical tube shape. Okay, so this one, this is a 9mm magazine pouch single specialty defense. This one looks like it has a snap flap. This one is the Air Warrior magazine pouch. It's a single one. As this one. So we have ended up with 2 of the 9mm magazine pouch singles. Put these 2 together. The 2 of the USGI pistol bag pouch button snap flap ABU. Do we have any labels? None visible on that one, none visible on this one, or behind the straps, or behind the flaps. But you can tell the difference between the ABU. It's more tiger stripy with more rounded edges versus the hard edges of the UCP ABU types. Okay, and last, this one goes through all the way. No label. This is the USGI small utility pouch. ACU used. So this one's probably for something that hangs through all the way through. Okay, backtracking is going to be interesting. And then last but not least, I believe, we've covered almost everything. We have 2 of the USGI B5 Gen 1 SOPMOD rifle stock in Coyote Brown New. See, it's still in the shrink, well, not shrink wrap, but plastic bag, sealed. Buttstocks sub assembly with a cage number. Similarly, this one here. Let's go ahead and do a quick slice. A uniform color, soft rubber pad with a little bit of give, 2 storage compartments, which I can't get my fingers to move at the moment. There we go. So that will eventually loosen up a little bit so I can get that out of there. So you can see the entire tube comes out, and then with the actual lid, that's really in there. Boop. Okay, so double grommet. Okay, so that right now. So put that right there. USGI B5 Gen 1 SOPMOD rifle stock, Coyote Brown New. And we had a whole bunch of ABU UCP pouches. We had 2 of the mag pouches, these ones. We also have the multi-purpose pouch, mag pouch, 2 more mag pouches in the ABU Tiger Stripe, and a small utility pouch. And then we continue with some D-rings, Grimloc 4-pack, Foliage green. Got 2 of the Tourniquet pouches, the pockets, 2 of the Flashbang pouches, 2 more USGI hand grenade pouch, used BDU, kind of the woodland pattern, replacement ACH helmet Chinstrap, Foliage green, the U.S. Army individual first aid kit pouch IFAK no insert, but then we ordered the actual insert for individual first aid kit, used Foliage green. Doesn't matter since it's on the internals. So, and we also had Armband ID holder, and I believe that covers everything. So these all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.